My name is Niek van Steen, work at Camtronics, and I'm a project developer, project engineer, project manager. Yeah, we are making pipe inspection cameras, sewer inspection cameras, and I'm mainly responsible for creating the software at this point using the Qt framework. Well, from a young age I was already involved with computers. My parents had a internet service provider as a company, so back when I was really small, really young, we already were working a lot with computers as well, so that piqued my interest in it quite early on. And so that made me choose the field of computer science myself. So I studied for it, went to university, studied software engineering. And afterwards I worked at some bigger companies, big outsourcing companies, software outsourcing companies. But after a while I wanted to get back into the more research development part of it. So that's why I got back to the smaller companies doing some more R&D, and from there it also grew to more of a project lead function for me instead of just the development, and more of the R&D part of it, and thinking about new ways to improve products instead of just only typing. Well, I remember that quite a long time ago, and don't ask me how many years, but a couple of years ago, maybe 10 years even, that I saw something with Qt at school, I believe, or at the open source project I was involved in. But it was only academic interest or only hobby interest, you know. So I haven't really worked with it. And then at some point when we started the development of our current camera system here, we got into Qt when we were like, okay, now we want rapid development, new features added quickly, and don't bother too much about the actual underlying platform. We want to ramp up the production speed, get to market quickly. How are we going to do that without writing a lot of code ourselves manually to improve quality and speed, of course? That's made us go look around on the internet a lot to find frameworks suitable for it. Basically, hit 1 to 10 was Qt, so that's why we stuck with Qt. The reputation of Qt is there, so yeah. But the onboarding process and the support of Qt it's awesome. And even when we had points in the project like, we don't know how we are going to solve this, but we need help, we just reached out to Qt and we got an actual human response, which is nowadays not really happening in every company, of course. And they were really helping us with, okay, maybe this is a solution, you can work on it this way. Yeah, the support is great. Well, Qt Design Studio really helps us prototyping the UI at first, because it's really easy to create UIs, visualize them, talk about them with our designers, you know. And afterwards, it really helps us to export that, to create it into the Qt Creator as well, to develop software with it, and bring those designs to life. We also use the bridges, so we can, from Figma, for example, export and import them into Design Studio to have our designers actually use the tools they are used to, and our team can then import that into Qt Design Studio, so we can bring it into the actual software project. That saves the designers from learning new tools, and everybody can do what they are best at. Instead of like working with new tools, it's always quirky, you know? So that's really, that helps a lot. Well, using the Qt software for us, it really makes the development of new sewer inspection cameras and new sewer technologies easier. And what this does for the current global environment, where there's a big trend into durability, eco stuff as well, is that people are not really keen on like destroying the entire street and breaking it open again to repair their stuff, and they want to do it faster and without all the costs of it and without all the impact into the environment. So what there are big movements towards more inspection and seeing what's wrong beforehand, before destroying property, before destroying walls or streets. So really to figure out stuff to make inspection better is, it's great for environment, I guess. No, for me it's flexibility. And this is because of the flexibility that we can change the underlying hardware platforms we want to run at, but also the flexibility that it's really easy for us to, like in this instant, create a new feature and deploy it quite rapidly. And this gives us flexibility for our product as well in our team to develop on.